everybody, I'm so glad to have you in my beautiful library again. Today I want to dedicate my story time to my soon-to-be graduates, my students of Kinder 3. Yay! Way to go! We're so happy for you guys. All my friends of toddlers, Kinder 1, Kinder 2, they are so happy for you. You have done a great year here at Finland. And today, the story that I chose for you is Splat the Cat. He's going to school for the first time. And so do you. You're gonna go for the first time to the elementary school. And you're gonna have lots of fun and you're gonna make lots of friends. We're gonna miss you so much, but you can come and visit us whenever you want, okay? Enjoy the story! By Rob Scudden. It was early in the morning and Splat was wide awake. Today was his first day at cat school and his tail wiggled widely with worry. My first day! Meow, I'm so scared! I can see your eyes through the sheets. If I hide from the day, maybe it'll go away, he thought. It didn't go away. Time to get up, meow, said his mom. Time to get dressed, said his mom. I don't have any clean socks, Mom. Maybe I should go to school tomorrow instead, said Splat. You don't wear socks, said his mom. I'm having a bad hair day, Mom. Maybe I should go to school tomorrow instead. Meow, said Splat. His mom combed his hair. Perfect, she said. Meow. Don't forget your lunchbox, said his mom. I'll need a friend today, thought Splat, so he put the mouse in the lunchbox. And he dropped his pet mouse, Seymour, into his lunchbox. Time to go, said his mom. The front door won't let me out, Mom. Meow. The gate won't let go of my fingers, Mom. So Mommy started to pull. Splat. Yes, let's go. The lamppost won't get out of my way, Mom. Mom! You can ride your bike if you like, Splat, said his mom. And here he goes, riding his bike. Look at that bike, so cool. It has the front wheel is so big and the back wheel is so small. So he did, but he didn't say a single word. He was so quiet. Welcome to cat school, said a big round cat. I'm Mrs. Wimpy Dimple, your teacher. Splat mom gave him a big hug. I'll be back soon, she said. You'll be fine. Yes. Everyone, this is Splat. Let's welcome him in our class, said Mrs. Wimpy-Dimple. Hi, Splat! Meow! Hello! Hi, meow! 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 Hello! Hi! How you doing? Mrs. Wimpy-Dimple began. Cats are amazing, she said. They are clever, they are cunning, they are fast, We're clever, cunning, and quick. Am I amazing too? Asked Splat. Yes, you too, said Mrs. Wimple-Dimple. Cats climb trees, drink milk, plop, and chase mice. Meow, squeak, 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 squeak. She continued. Why do we chase mice? Asked Splat. It's what we do, replied the teacher. Why? Asked Splat. Because. Why? I have so many questions. The teacher, Mrs. Wimple-Dimple, sighed. Lunchtime, everyone! Go get your lunch boxes. Splat opened his lunchbox. The cats did what cats do. They were chasing the mouse. Poor Seymour. Seymour hid behind a glass bottle, and when the cats saw his face through the glass, how did he look? He looked scary and spooky. They screamed and ran away. Meow! Meow, meow, meow! So scary! Seymour did what all mice want to do. He wanted to scare all the cats away, and he did it. Stop! Cried Splat. Splat! They didn't stop. Enough! Mrs. Wimple-Dimple said, and it ended it. It's milk time! But the door to the milk cupboard was stuck. No milk today, announced Mrs. Wimple-Dimple. Oh, meow, 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 meow. Splat whispered into Seymour's ear. Seymour nodded. That means he moved his head like this. And then, a moment later, the door swung open. There was Seymour. He opened the door. Yum! They were all drinking milk. Look, here's Splat sharing with his pet. That's so nice. Mrs. Wimple-Dimple wrote again on the chalkboard. Cats don't chase mice. And here is a drawing of a cat and a mouse hugging and kissing. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Hooray! Cheered the cat. Soon it was home time. Splat's mom returned and gave him a hug. I love you, Splat. Me too, Mommy. I've got lots of friends. Cats don't chase mice. I am amazing. Wow, you learned a lot for a first day. It was early the next morning and Splat was wide awake. Today was his second day at cat school and his tail wiggled widely, but this time with excitement. Yes! And the story is finished. If you like the story, please share with your friends.